North Macedonia currency and coins collection. North Macedonia is a country in Southeast Europe bordering Greece, Albania, Serbia, Bulgaria and Kosovo. It declared independence from Yugoslavia in 1991 and until 2019, its official name was former Yugoslav Republic of Macedonia. The currency of North Macedonia is the Macedonian dinar, MKD. It is subdivided into 100 deni. The dinar was introduced in 1992, replacing the Yugoslav dinar. The current dinar notes are in denominations of 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, and 500 dinars. The current dinar coins are in denominations of 1, 2, 5, 10, and 50 deni. You can exchange your currency for Macedonian dinars at most banks and exchange bureaus in North Macedonia. The exchange rate is constantly fluctuating, so it is best to check the latest rate before you travel. You can also use your debit or credit card to pay for goods and services in North Macedonia. However, it is a good idea to have some cash on hand, especially for small purchases. Here are some tips for using Macedonian dinars. When exchanging currency, get as many small notes as possible. This will make it easier to make small purchases. Keep your money in a safe place. North Macedonia is a relatively safe country, but it is always best to be cautious. Be aware of the exchange rate. The exchange rate can fluctuate, so it is important to check the latest rate before you make a purchase. A set of 4 coins are available for collectors at Rs 320.